Imagine this. You've been texting her non-stop, pouring your energy into every message, and then silence. You decide to stop texting her. What's running through her mind? Is she relieved? Does she miss you? Or does she even notice? In this video, we'll uncover what women really think when you pull back and go silent. Whether it's a power move or just you stepping back, there's more happening behind the scenes than you might realize. Stick around to understand the psychology behind her thoughts and how this one decision can actually work in your favor. The immediate reaction. Confusion. When you stop texting, her first reaction is usually confusion. If she's used to your constant attention, the sudden shift catches her off guard. Women often start wondering, did I do something wrong? Or why the change? This moment of uncertainty plants a seed of curiosity in her mind. This is where the psychological principle of scarcity comes into play. When something isn't readily available, we tend to value it more. By stepping back, you create that scarcity. The emotional roller coaster. After the initial confusion, emotions start to kick in. If she had feelings for you, this could range from missing your presence to frustration. She may even feel a hint of jealousy if she thinks your attention is now elsewhere. This phase is where she starts reflecting on your connection. Why do I miss him? Or was I taking him for granted? Psychologists call this the Zeigarnik effect, where unfinished interactions stay at the forefront of our minds. Your silence keeps you lingering in her thoughts. The evaluation phase. Over time, she starts evaluating the relationship. Was she truly interested in you? Or was it just the attention she craved? If she genuinely liked you, your absence becomes a wake-up call, prompting her to take action. On the other hand, if her interest wasn't strong, she might fade away. But this is valuable too because it saves you from chasing someone who wasn't genuinely invested. Here's the key. You're shifting the dynamic. Instead of you chasing her, she's now deciding whether to pursue you. Let's look at a quick example. Imagine John and Sarah. John used to text Sarah every morning, always checking in on her. But one day, he stopped. At first, Sarah didn't notice. She thought, he's probably busy. But by day 3, she started wondering, why hasn't John texted me? By the end of the week, she found herself checking his social media, wondering if he'd moved on. John's silence made Sarah realize how much she enjoyed his attention. The space he created gave her time to reflect, and soon, she was the one reaching out to reconnect. Stepping back isn't about playing games. It's about creating balance. By stopping the constant texting, you allow both yourself and her to evaluate the connection without pressure. Women often think more deeply about someone when they're not always available. It's about showing self-respect, confidence, and patience. Remember, attraction grows in space. Silence speaks volumes. And sometimes the best way to move forward is by stepping back. If you found this insight valuable, let us know in the comments. Have you ever stopped texting someone and noticed a change in their behavior? Share your experience below. We'd love to hear it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more content on relationships, attraction, and personal growth. Until next time, take care and stay confident.